Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming eligibility, a school email or official student document. Once confirmed, sign in to your GitHub account and navigate to the Student Developer Pack application. Upload a clear photo of your ID or enrollment letter and enter the school name exactly as it appears. Make sure your profile details are accurate. Inconsistencies slow approval. This is the first actionable push. Start the application now so your proof is attached and you can move to verification. Once you submit, GitHub reviews your documents. Expect a confirmation email within 1 to 10 business days. While waiting, explore available partner offers and prioritize those you need most because some require separate signups or promo codes. After approval, click each offer from the Pack dashboard and follow that provider's onboarding, often linking accounts or entering a claim code. You should track deadlines and any account limits so you don't lose time-sensitive credits or student-only pricing. To finish, activate each tool you claimed and save login details plus expiration dates in one place. If your application is rejected, don't panic. Review rejection reason, ensure the school name matches, improve photo clarity, and resubmit promptly. If resubmission fails or offers aren't activating, gather your application ID and screenshots, then contact GitHub support. Include exact error messages. This targeted step resolves most issues, and once cleared, you'll have access to the Pack benefits for the eligible period.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.